Quick Snapchat editing tips everyone should know. Let's get in. Learn Snapchat. Use multiple filters at once. Swipe to add a filter, then hold one finger on the screen and swipe again with another finger to layer a second filter. Double the vibe in seconds. Play with text styles. Tap the T icon to write something. Then tap it again to change styles, small, bold, or fancy. Drag it, resize it, or spin it to match your snap's mood. Doodle with the pen. Hit the pencil icon, pick a color, and draw doodles, arrows, or highlights on your snap. Super fun for adding personality. Add stickers and GIFs. Tap the sticker icon to add Bitmoji, emojis, or animated GIF. Drag and resize them however you like for extra flair. Create custom stickers. Cut out part of your snap to reuse it later. Tap scissors, outline the part you want, and boom, you made a sticker. Find it later in your sticker library. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.